Come here, Ann. Come here. Sit. He's a good girl. Yeah, he's a good girl. It's not nice. She doesn't want to. Don't want to do that? She can't. Want to do that? I don't think so. Here, no way. Come here, Ann.
No.
Shake with me. Come here, Ann. It's okay. Here you go. See, look, that's all it is. Big deal. No big deal. Well, how about the other ones? Give me your hand. Give me a shake. Shake. Good, isn't it? He's a good girl.
Oh, I love it.
Oh, there, got it? Here, just stay right here, honey. Stay right here. Sit. Sit right there. Sit.
Oh.
Can you get it without my feet in? It's okay, honey.
Poor hands.